Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show how to replace LCD for iPhone 7. The first thing you have to do, you have to remove the two screws at the back of the phone here. Then you have to use a pencil to open it. Be careful, don't do it with rush. Then you slide it like this. You have to take out these screws. Make sure any screw you take out, you know where you put it. Don't put all the same, because iPhone screws, they are all not the same. Remove this metal, disconnect the battery, disconnect the LCD, and remove this other metal up here. This one up here is for the speaker and the front camera. You have to disconnect it also. Disconnect it also. Now you need to take out all the screws at the side and take everything and transfer to the new one. As for this screw at the side, the side screw, the 6 screw at the side, they're all the same. Okay, you remove the fingerprints. The fingerprint screw also, they're all the same. Then you disconnect the fingerprints. You be careful. Okay, you remove it from down. Be careful when you remove it, don't spoil it. Because there is IC on this fingerprint side, there's an IC there. You remove the fingerprint from down here, take out. Then you remove the speaker and the front camera connector. The screws are not the same, so don't put them in the same place. Make sure you know where you take all of them. Okay. You remove the speaker, you disconnect the connector, the front camera connector with the speaker, all the same connector, so you have to take out. Be careful when you take it out, don't force it. So the sensor also is there. This one connector have so many things on it, so you have to be careful when you remove it. You don't need to force it. Remove it slowly. Okay, take out the span. Okay, normally this LCD they changed it before. Okay, normally when you change the LCD you have to remove this plastic. You don't need to leave it there. Sometimes when you leave it, they make the phone become very tight inside, so you have to take it out. at least the phone will become a bit free. You have to remove this ribbon. You take it out. Okay, you have to remove this one also for the mic to be clear, upstairs mic. Okay, now you fix the metal back. Make sure you fix it straight. You can start fixing the metal first, so that the metal will rest properly. Very be careful when you fix the screw. Very skillful. After I finish, fix the 6 screw at the side of the metal. You have to fix this ribbon and make sure you correspond it very well. Because this ribbon have some position how to fix it. It's already easy. You see the hole there. You see this metal. This something like hole here. You have to make sure you respond these 2 hole inside. These 2 side. You have to make sure you put them inside there so that you don't miss the position. Because when you miss the position, you make the speaker will not work. So you have to make sure you fix it properly straight. Okay. Then you fix the speaker. Fix the camera back of the speaker. Okay. And you fix the metal. So close it. Make sure your hand is there, so at least you can support to hold the everything, so the thing will fix properly. Will not come out. You fix all the screw you take out from there. Make sure you fix the screw where you take it out. Now you need to fix the fingerprint. Remove this plastic a bit because you pass the fingerprint from the front. You pass it from the front like this. Okay. And make sure this connector pass down. This one you sit up. Okay, then you put this one down like this. Okay, then the screen connector, fingerprint connector fix here. Make sure you fix properly. Don't force to press it inside if you don't have the position. You have to make sure the position is correct before you press inside, so that you don't spoil the connector. If you spoil the connector, the fingerprint will not work. It should be like there is no connection to the fingerprint. So make sure you fix it properly. Fix the cover also. After I finish fixing this one, now you need to fix the LCD back. Connect the first connector here. Make sure you correspond before you press it down. You connect the second one. Okay, don't fix the battery yet. You fix the front camera and the speaker on first. Make sure it's correspond well before you press it down. Okay. Okay. Now you fix this metal. Okay. Now you fix the battery. Then you close this other one, metal. Make sure you put all the screw where you take it. Don't mix the screw up because they're not the same screw. Okay. Now you close the phone. You start from the top. You slide the top first. Okay, before you slide it down, and slide the middle. Press it inside. Okay, now you need to put the screws back. Okay. Now you test it. It's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.